Black diamonds are mysterious and beautiful gemstones, but their dark appearance often leads to confusion with other stones such as cubic zirconia or moissanite. One commonly mentioned home method for testing diamonds is the fire test. While this test is widely discussed online, it is important to understand how it works in theory, its limitations, and why it is not recommended for home use, especially for safety reasons. What is the fire test? The fire test is based on one of the natural properties of diamonds. Diamonds have a very high melting point and excellent heat resistance. In theory, a real diamond should not be damaged by brief exposure to high temperatures, while many fake stones may crack, discolor, or shatter due to heat stress. Why the fire test is risky at home. Although the idea sounds simple, the fire test is not safe or reliable, especially for non-professionals. Fire can cause burns or accidents. Black diamonds often contain inclusions that can crack even if the stone is real. Some fake stones are heat resistant, which can lead to false results. Jewelry settings, metal prongs, glue can be permanently damaged. Because of these risks, gem experts and organizations like the Gemological Institute of America strongly discourage using fire or heat for gemstone testing at home. Why the fire test is especially unreliable for black diamonds. Black diamonds differ from clear diamonds because they contain many internal fractures and inclusions, absorb light rather than reflect it, react differently to heat compared to transparent diamonds. This means a real black diamond could crack, while a fake stone might remain intact, making the test misleading. Safer home alternatives. Recommended. Instead of using fire, consider these safer checks. Water test. Diamonds are very dense and sink quickly. Fog test. Real diamonds disperse heat fast, so fog disappears almost instantly. Magnification. Look for natural inclusions with a jeweler's loupe. Professional testing. Jewelers use thermal and electrical conductivity tools. For accurate results, professional testing is always the best choice. Final thoughts. While the fire test is often mentioned as a way to identify real diamonds, it is unsafe, unreliable, and not recommended, especially for black diamonds. Understanding the science behind the test is useful, but applying it at home can damage the stone or cause injury.